Introducing the referee for the fight. Please welcome Devjit Banerjee. And the second fight of Soul of Warriors 2 has begun. In the blue corner we have Rahul Dev, and in the red corner we have Rahul Sharma.
Manan, the interesting fact is that both the fighters come from a karate background. Rahul Sharma is a Shotokan karate representative here, while Rahul Dev has also learned karate. And let's see what these guys have to present in the ring tonight at Soul of Warriors.
So to help the people who are watching understand, Dev is the one who's got the blue tape on his gloves, and Sharma is the one who's got the red tape on his gloves.
Right.
Some nice kicks from Rahul Dev. And another one, this time it was a push kick. Dev seems to be taking his time, which is a very good sign. And both the fighters exchange some kicks.
We've got 4 more minutes in the round. Manan, it's interesting to note that Rahul Dev has also played in kickboxing as well as grappling. So I think that Rahul Dev here has an advantage.
And he's about to take Sharma down, but then lets that go. There was a minor exchange of shots over there. Well, I agree with you, Rahul. Dev has an advantage here. He's well-rounded. He's got a lot of experience. But at the same time, Sharma has a good skill set as well. And you can't underestimate any of these fighters.
We can see some telegraphing here by Rahul Sharma. Oh, that's a nice kick. In exchange, got a punch.
दोनों fighters अपना time ले रहे हैं. They're sizing each other up. They're understanding the range. They're getting into the momentum. And another nice kick. He's landed many of these kicks now, Rahul.
Yes, we've got 3 more minutes. We are yet to see some intense action from both the Rahuls here. Ladies and gentlemen, especially our viewers on Facebook, those who have joined us recently.
Wow, we heard that all the way here at the commentators table, and they're going at it now. That kick was blocked.
Of Warriors 2.
Stop the takedown. Wow, now they're going at it, Rahul. Now they're picking up the
That
pace.
is a nice flip.
They're exchanging shots. Earlier they were just throwing one shot. Now they're throwing multiple shots at each other.
We've got less than 2.5 minutes in the round.
I noticed Dave trying to take down Sharma a couple of times there, Rahul. Do you think he's looking for a takedown? Is that a part of his game?
Yes. Coming from a grappling background, I think.
Oh, and that kick does some damage there. That kick did some damage. This is what happens. If you eat too many of those kicks, eventually your leg just can't take anymore. And Dave must feel really good and confident right now. एक और बहुत बढ़िया किक देव की तरफ से, और देखने में ऐसा लग रहा है कि देव अपने हिसाब से इस फाइट को चला रहे हैं. वो किक मारते हैं और बाहर निकल जाते हैं, और इस बार शर्मा की तरफ से बहुत अच्छी किक. Some nice punches there. Sharma came running towards Dev, but then kind of let go of whatever he was planning. Good defense, good head movement. Dev has been evading Sharma's punches with his head movement and footwork.
We've got just more than a minute left in the round. We're yet to see some intense action. Both the fighters are assessing each other right now. Manan, आपको क्या लगता है कि यहाँ पे राहुल देव को अपनी ग्रैपलिंग कब इस्तेमाल करनी चाहिए?
ये बहुत हाई क्वालिटी फाइट है मेरे हिसाब से राहुल. दोनों फाइटर्स टाइम ले रहे हैं, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है. दोनों फाइटर्स अच्छे से खेल रहे हैं टाइम लेके. So according to me, I think Dev is going perfectly as per plan. He's doing what he needs to do right now, Rahul.
Manan, I like the fact that Rahul Sharma has a low guard. Makes him more vulnerable. At the same time, he can throw in some really good punches with that.
Yes, I agree with you, but he hasn't capitalized on that. अभी तक शर्मा की तरफ से कोई बहुत सॉलिड पंच देखने को हमें नहीं मिला है. ये पूरा राउंड अभी तक देव ने डोमिनेट किया राहुल. और एक और लेग किक. ये कितनी लेग किक्स खा सकता है एक बंदा राहुल? ये देखने में आसान लगती है, but it does damage. And another one. And this time the referee stops him.
Indeed.
The first round of this bout is over. What do you have to say about this round, Rahul? Who do you think won this round?
Well, it's hard to say who won the round, but at the same time, I can say that both these guys are here putting up a show.
दादा इसको छोड़िए, क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
Check. Just a small announcement. Thank you. Sorry. You're watching the Soul of Warriors Season 2. The fight is on. The heat is up. So are we. We'll be moving on to the round 2 of the second match. The flyweight match between Rahul Dev versus Rahul Sharma. राहुल, अब दूसरा राउंड शुरू होने जा रहा है इस फाइट का और I just want to take a second and I want to acknowledge the third man in the ring, referee Devajit. Devajit is a very talented martial artist himself. He in fact trains the Kolkata police out. पहला राउंड काफी हद तक हम कह सकते हैं देव ने डोमिनेट किया था. बहुत अच्छी लेग किक्स मारी, बहुत अच्छी मूवमेंट थी, फुटवर्क, हेड मूवमेंट, and he really played it smart. Now what we want to see is, does Sharma make a comeback in this round? He did swing and he did throw some punches, but they're not landing. And Sharma's taunting Dev. Sharma's saying those kicks don't affect me. Throw as many as you want. और देव ने जवाब में 2 और मारी. इस बार शर्मा ने कुछ पंचेस मारे.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the second fight of the evening. We are in the round 2 of Rahul Dev versus Rahul Sharma. We've got Rahul Sharma in the red corner and Rahul Dev in the blue corner. Manan, अभी तक ज़्यादा एक्शन देखने को मिला नहीं है. Oh, and herein he throws a spinning back kick. Oh,
that kick looked low to me, and then he did tag him, Rahul. But Sharma still seems to be on his feet, and he seems like he's okay right now. Oh, and he tried a Sumit Khade over there. But now Dev has him in a bad position. And let's see if Dev can capitalize on this.
Well, Dev is the grappler here.
And Dev has side mount.
And he's got the back on the back. All he has to do, Manan, put the hooks in, pull the rear naked choke. But we've seen Sharma reversing it, Sharma going in some vicious knees.
Sharma is throwing some deadly knees in between, Rahul. You're right about that.
Manan, what I like about Solo Warriors is the fact that it's happening in a ring. Now, this is something which we've not seen commonly before. Reminds me of Pride FC days.
Absolutely, man. And there are some hard hammer shots being landed. SOW is living up to people's expectations. You were saying, Rahul, that अभी तक ज़्यादा एक्शन देखने को नहीं मिली है. अब कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. पिछले 20 सेकंड में ऐसा लगा कि एक्शन ही एक्शन है. 3 मिनट और हैं इस राउंड में. This is Rahul versus Rahul. दोनों राहुल एक दूसरे का डिस्टेंस असेस करते हुए. I can see Rahul Sharma is a little bit tired here. He's breathing heavy.
He is. Even though mentally he's all in, and I don't see him backing down even one bit. He's not even giving too much attention to the leg kicks. However, I do feel Dev is the smarter fighter in the ring right now, Rahul. Look how he moves out of the way. The moment Sharma plans to attack, look how cleverly Dev moves out of the way. And then he just goes back to his game plan, Rahul. Notice he has a game plan. He throws those kicks and he moves. He throws those kicks and he moves. To the untrained eye, Rahul, fighting may look like complete chaos, but if you really look carefully, you'll see a well-executed plan. And look at that head movement. Look how he ducked under those punches, Rahul.
And you can see some heavy leather being thrown by Rahul Sharma in the red corner.
It didn't land though.
It didn't connect.
It didn't land.
It didn't connect. We've got less than 2 minutes in round 2.
That's right, 2 minutes to go. And I heard Sharma's corner saying box. And one hook landed there. They immediately went for the takedown and got it.
Manan, here in Rahul Dev has the dominant position, though he's stuck in a kind of a guillotine in the side control. But all he has to do is take the mount and start landing some punches. One by one, shot by shot, blow by blow.
That's right, Rahul. Dev just needs to take it easy. He's got a good position here. And it seems like Dev is the one who's the better grappler in the ring. So if he just takes it easy and holds this position, Rahul, I think it's going to be very beneficial for him.
Now, Manan, it would have been beneficial had there been a cage. अगर अभी यहाँ पे cage होता, तो राहुल ने cage control कर सकते थे, and he would have been in a dominant position. But we can see that Rahul is still in the side control, and Rahul Sharma is trying to defend it. He's trying to shrimp out.
राहुल शर्मा पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं डिफेंड करने की, और राहुल देव पीछे हट गए. देव ने खुद ही वो पोजीशन छोड़ दी राहुल.
बिल्कुल.
Do you think that was a wise move?
Well, maybe not. Tim Shell.
I think he could have continued because he had the dominant position.
Round
Oh, and that punch landed flat on Dev's face. Finally, a solid punch lands for Sharma. Sharma ends the round with a good punch, Rahul. But pretty much the entire round was dominated by Dev once again. What do you think? Rahul, if you look at the screen right now, you'll see the action. What do you have to say about this round? Was it Dev or was it Sharma? Who do you think won this round?
Manan, I'll give it to Rahul Dev for his grappling domination here. Though it was minuscule in nature, however, considering the fight and both the fighters, it was pretty good.
Yeah, and I loved how Rahul Dev defended the punches that Sharma was throwing. Sharma was throwing some powerful punches, but Dev did a good job of defending. Now, let's go to the ring for some official conversations with Savvy.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Soul of Warriors Season 2,
Seconds out.
Rahul Dev versus Rahul Sharma, Round 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Soul of Warriors 2. We are live from the city of joy, Kolkata. We have got an excellent, wonderful audience turnout here.
राहुल भाई, तीसरा और आखिरी राउंड चालू हो गया है.
मनन मेरे भाई, हो सकता है तीसरे राउंड में हमें कुछ इंटेंस एक्शन देखने को मिले.
I have a feeling Sharma is going to knock Dev out in this round.
जिस हिसाब से राहुल शर्मा
Look at the power in those punches, bro.
मनन जिस हिसाब से राहुल शर्मा पंच थ्रो कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक एक भी कनेक्ट हुआ, दिस गेम इज ओवर.
है ना? और शर्मा को पता है कि पहले दोनों राउंड वो जीते नहीं हैं. उनको पता है कि उनको ये फाइट जीतने के लिए नॉकआउट ही करना पड़ेगा. And the fact that these fights are happening in a ring are actually working to Sharma's advantage right now, Rahul.
Well, yes, had there been a cage, it would have been different. Rahul Dev again trying for a takedown, getting on a dominant position. All he has to do is get on the mount and start landing punches, blow by blow, one by one, and get a knockout. Well, he gets the
He has the mount, and this is bad news for Sharma. When he has really bad news.
I think he's trying for a submission and he's got Rahul Sharma out. He still has a dominant position. From here he can go for a triangle. But for that he has to keep Rahul Sharma in his guard.
And you know, Rahul, it's not very easy to grapple in the third round. The bodies are sweaty, the fighters are tired. It's not the same as trying to apply a triangle in the first round.
मनन ये फाइटर हैं, ये इसी के लिए बने हैं.
ये बात तो सही है. देखना ये है कि शर्मा क्या कर पाते हैं.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the white shirt we have got Devayan, who's an excellent jiu-jitsu guy. He's cornering Rahul. He's cornering Rahul Dev. He's giving some excellent advice. He has to throw those elbows while keeping Rahul Sharma in his guard. We've got less than 3 minutes in this round.
So Rahul, the interesting thing is that even if Sharma stays on top for the entire rest of the round, the fight still goes to him because he won the first 2 rounds.
Well, Sharma here is not no pushover. He's definitely here to put up a show and we can see that happening.
Yeah, but he needs a knockout.
Yes.
He needs a knockout. Just dominating this round will not be.
आनंद, इस राउंड में 2 मिनट और बचे हैं. दोनों फाइटर्स खड़े हुए हैं अपने पैरों में. We can see the corners getting heat up. They both are throwing some heavy right hands.
And that right hand landed for Dave this time round. So what we want to see is what I think is going to happen now, Rahul, is Dev करेंगे अपने original game plan पे वापस जाएंगे. He will just throw those kicks and move around. Whereas Sharma is going to continue looking for a knockout. Oh, and he slipped. That wasn't because of the punch, it was a slip.
इस राउंड में 1.5 मिनट से कम बचा है. Both the Rahul sweating hard inside the ring. Ladies and gentlemen, cheer up for both the fighters. This is Soul of Warriors 2.
Now both the fighters are obviously a little tired, but they're still giving it their 100. Dave is moving his hands and then he quickly gets out of the way, which is very, very intelligent. Sharma is continuously stalking him, moving forward. He knows the pressure is on him. He knows he's got to do something. And Dave is doing a fantastic job of just moving around and letting time pass by.
इस राउंड में 40 सेकंड और बचे हैं. धीरे धीरे घड़ी आगे बढ़ती जा रही है. हम इस राउंड के फिनिश पे जा रहे हैं. And we can see all the fighters throwing in some heavy leather, exchanging punches one by one, blow after blow to get a win here.
बहुत ही मजेदार एक्शन देखने को मिल रही है यहाँ कैलकाटा में सोल ऑफ वॉरियर्स 2 में. और जबरदस्त टैलेंट है ये. और राहुल 10 सेकंड रह गए हैं. मेरे हिसाब से Rahul Dev has taken this fight. What do you think?
Well, yes, I'll give it to Rahul Dev, but at the same time, we cannot deny the fact that Rahul Sharma has some heavy. Well, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, that was fight 2 of the night. This is Soul of Warriors 2, live from the City of Joy, Kolkata.
So ladies and gentlemen, that was the Soul of Warriors Season 2, Fight 2, the Flyweight Series. Rahul Dev on the blue side versus Rahul Sharma on the red side. We have Devjit Banerjee, the referee, awaiting to announce the winners for this match. Just a small announcement for all the people who want to catch this fight from their house. We are live in the Soul of Warriors Facebook page. Ladies and gentlemen, the Soul of Warriors Facebook page. We are coming live and exclusive. When the panel is deciding on the winners, once again this is Soul of Warriors Season 2. We had the second fight, the flyweight.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have got our official decision from the judges, and the winner by unanimous decision in the blue corner, Rahul Dev.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rahul Dev, 360 Degree Sport Kolkata, bags the winner for the flyweight series.